Surf Academy online classes. In part 8 video, we study about trigonometric ratios and also different trigonometric values. Now, in part 9 video, dear student, we study about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now, first of all, we will discuss about complementary angles. What is complementary angles? Means if sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. Means two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Thus, theta and 90 degree minus theta are complementary angles. Now, we will study some formula which is based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First of all, we construct a right angle triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree, angle C is theta, then obviously angle A is 90 degree minus theta. Now, in triangle ABC, sin 90 degree minus theta, when we take 90 degree minus theta, then CB is perpendicular, AB is base and AC is hypotenuse. Means sin 90 degree minus theta equal to CB upon CA. This is equal to cos theta, because when we take angle theta, then CB is base, AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. Then CB upon CA is equal to cos theta. Means sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Again, cos 90 degree minus theta means cos 90 degree minus theta equal to AB upon CA. Here, AB is base because we take angle 90 degree minus theta and CB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. Then cos 90 degree minus theta equal to AB upon CA, and when we take angle theta, then AB upon CA is equal to sin theta. Means cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Again, tan 90 degree minus theta means we take this angle and this angle is 90 degree minus theta. Then CB is perpendicular, AB is base and AC is hypotenuse. Means tan 90 degree minus theta equal to CB upon AB, and when we take angle theta, then CB upon AB is cot theta. Means tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. Again, cot 90 degree minus theta equal to AB upon CB. This equal to tan theta. Now, sec 90 degree minus theta, sec 90 degree minus theta equal to CA upon AB. Means CA upon AB is equal to the cosec theta. Means sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta. Now, cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to CA upon CB, and also CA upon CB equal to sec theta. Means cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. Thus we can say that sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta, tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. Now, dear student, we will solve some question based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now, question is, without using trigonometric tables, evaluate sin 16 degree upon cos 74 degree. Here numerator is sin 16 degree, denominator is cos 74 degree. Then we write in place of 16 degree we write 90 degree minus 74 degree. Means we will change any one of numerator or denominator. Then sin 16 degree upon cos 74 degree is equal to sin 90 degree minus 74 degree upon cos 74 degree. And also we know that sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Here theta is 74 degree. Then sin 90 degree minus 74 degree is equal to cos 74 degree. Then it is equal to cos 74 degree upon cos 74 degree. This is equal to 1. This is final answer.
Okay.
Now next question is, without using trigonometric tables, prove that first part is cos 81 degree minus sin 9 degree equal to 0, and second part is sin 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sin 65 degree minus cos 25 degree equal to 0. LHS of first part is cos 81 degree minus sin 9 degree. This equal to, in place of 81 we write 90 minus 9, means cos 81 degree equal to cos 90 degree minus 9 degree. Then LHS equal to cos 90 degree minus 9 degree minus sin 9 degree. And dear student, also we know that cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Here theta is 9 degree. Then cos 90 degree minus 9 degree equal to sin 9 degree. Means sin 9 degree minus sin 9 degree, sin 9 degree minus sin 9 degree equal to 0. This equal to RHS. Hence first part is verified. Now LHS of second part is sin 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sin 65 degree minus cos 25 degree. Here LHS is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, and also we know that a plus b in first bracket into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then we write sin square 65 degree minus cos square 25 degree. This equal to sin square 65 degree minus, in place of 25 degree we write 90 degree minus 65 degree, means sin square 65 degree minus cos square 90 degree minus 65 degree. And also we know that cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Then LHS equal to sin square 65 degree minus sin square 65 degree. This equal to 0, and it is also equal to the right hand side. Now dear student, some questions are given in your Google Classroom app. Thanks.